Ha cursa behe Hayley Lauder eda torsku imig atje. A chan cursta sude a toshikig ekin atje rishin cani dahi. Le chorus dahi is kukit tudis son Glasgow City. Han cluicheadair mian toshikig mar choche cluicheadair kuchihi in tezen. Agus be tarigse a vaun nach buringi a gultig.
I think being offered the role, I know the club fantastically well, I know the demands, I know the standards. I can work really well with Leanne, we have that respect, but we challenge each other. So yeah, I think it's been good and it's a good model that's worked for the club so far. It was Leanne and Laura. I had a chat with them and it became evident that they wanted me to do the role. I've got a great relationship with both of them, and after we chatted things through, yeah, it made sense for me and it made sense for the club, and I'm very happy to be doing it. When you get to 35, you know, football's not going to be around forever in terms of playing. So yeah, I'm very realistic with that. I don't have any issues with that at all. But yeah, it was clear that it was a player-coach role. I would still have an input on the pitch, and yeah, it's one that I'm enjoying. I mean, I've had a lot of injuries as well, like little injuries, but it does all add up, and yeah, like I said, I am very realistic about things. I notice huge changes in how I recover, my body, things like that as well. So I've probably been thinking about it for a while, maybe subconsciously as well, but yeah, I'm definitely in the stage of planning for what's next. I love watching football, I love watching, you know, the different dynamics of the game, and I think as well, like, I've maybe not thought about it as a coach, but as a player, like, understanding how the game's going, how I can influence games has always been a huge part, and I think just putting that into coaching now is good.
Von raniki gan a club aan een davile se kehergiag, ha Lauder tora yenu le Glasgow City. A vunnig jeich priaf chupa, agus a vina parste imig eichenen jorpach enemo. Ha manager Leanne Ross a vina parste in tlia. Is a Lauder a ganskug tor von chown choskepeiche. Is he a gal a hier cheminin mar coache.
Seeing how Leanne works has been incredible, really. I think the way she's on it every day, the way she organises, the way she prepares for each and every session, every game. Yeah, I'm learning massively, and it's just taking wee bits from her and then implementing that to the girls. I'm always ready and prepared to play as a player, but in terms of the coaching side, I'll be involved in all the meetings. I know how we'll set up, I know what we're looking for from the game, I know positionally what we're looking for from me. Yeah, and I've really enjoyed that side of things, because I think in turn when I go into the sessions as a player, I can impart that onto the session and have a proper influence within the session. I don't necessarily have to be external like Leanne is. So yeah, I think that's been really valuable for me, just being involved in all those discussions. It's a lot of new information for me, using the brain a bit more. But Leanne is so supportive. I think we've got a great group of staff here as well, and it's been pretty seamless so far. There is a natural distance, I'd say. I haven't removed myself completely, I'm still a player. Obviously there's times where I have to be at staff meetings, things like that, and I do get slagged an awful lot. But I love that. I wanted it to be a change for me and not a change for the girls. And I think, yeah, we've managed to do that dynamic quite well so far. You can see how close we are as a group. I think that's shown out on the pitch as well. I think you bring in a player like Abby Harrison and she just gels the full team together. She's got time for everyone, and I think that is so important within this club. We spend a lot of time together on and off the pitch, and yeah, I think it's absolutely huge for morale.
Shot caught him Lockwood, agus ag de fasta chŵl, Nicol Kozlova, it's City yn yn harsach.
Hayley Lauder, sin yrgol ysdiach y myn y Chigli, agus yn oes yn y baich gael y mach, Panic the ball to Katie Lockwood.
I think our league position is great. I think our performances have been very good. Our start to the season, you see the depth we've got, the rotation that we can have within the squad. There's 2-3 players per position. It's extremely strong. and it's healthy competition as well. That's what I've loved about this season so far. I think going into training sessions and people are competing, you know, people want to play, but it's healthy, it's supportive. We all have a collective goal, and yeah, you can really see that within the group this year.